Hello, everybody. This is part 2 of me saying there in 2026 and there's already a disaster. How do we do this? There's already disaster struck, and there's like a disaster every single year, like a terrible one. And there's another terrible one right now. If you don't know yet, and you live under a rock, because I know some of y'all do, there's gonna be a winter, let's just say blizzard, 2 to 3 feet in the U.S. And I live in the U.S., so I'm gonna be cooked. I can't survive. I can't survive. That's literally half of my body. It's just starting. Have you seen the stores? Go to a Walmart or somewhere right now. You'll see that the stores are empty. Anyway, I'll upload y'all on like a part 2 or part 3 during the storm. My experiences.